Hey, let me show you how you can fix that problem when the Nvidia Overlay doesn't actually detect your microphone. So first of all, you have to go for your taskbar, click on this speaker icon, go to the volume mixer, and here you have to pick up your input device. You have to just check the device that you are using. So for me, that's a SteelSeries Sonar microphone. And take a look right now. When you go for the Nvidia application and click on this Nvidia Overlay, we have to go for the settings, then go for the audio, and you have to take a look for a source of your microphone. So as you can see, for me, for some reason, it's set for microphone from Nvidia Broadcast. So I have to set the same one that I'm using as default on my Windows settings. And now that's finished, also make sure to increase the volume of your microphone. So, I mean, this is the system sounds, by the way, but here you can find the microphone. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.